Top 5 talaga? Okay, in random order. Uy, sorry may tatanggalin na tayong tatlo. O, sige. In no particular order. Move forward, number 14. Move forward, number 7. Move forward, number 4. Move forward, number 13. And move forward, number 16. Guys, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, so we are down to our top 5.
Final question.
Kasi papawisan sila lahat ng mga pwedeng pagpawisan sa kanila.
4, 7, what's your number?
4, 7, number
13, 14,
16.
16. Ako na lang magtatanong lahat para mabilis.
Sige, go.
Okay, random tayo. Start with number 13, then 4, 16, 7, and 14. 13, question. Yeah. All questions will be related to the board. No, it's a question but it's something to do with the board. It's a one statement question. What makes you believe?
My parents, sir. Because my parents, sir. Because both my parents are RNs and they used to take me to work and I would always look up to them and see what they would do. And I just want to make them proud because they're already retiring.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Contestant number 4.
Contestant number 4.
What makes you afraid?
Natatakot ako kapag nalaman ko na sa pamilya ko ang may problema. Na sobrang...
No, about the board exam, girl. About the board exam. What makes you afraid?
Afraid ako na maging failure ulit. But I know that this should be my last.
Thank you very much. Number 16.
Number 16.